Hey Buchika! Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, darling, we're in a sports vehicle because the bitch is moving style. We took a family trip just for the weekend and we're going to just live it up in the city like the bad bitches we are. So come with us for a few days out of town just to relax, to detox. School has been the downfall of all of us. And so relax. Look pretty.
Your body.
Let's go.
It's my pumpkin this big. It's really
That's
this
your
big.
real face. Like what? We're doing a whole convoy of Range Rovers, sweetie. We're talking range, we're talking land, we're talking period, sweetie. Welcome to the AT. Welcome to the A Club. Let us show you where we're going to be staying for the next few days. Follow us. Why not something with So that's the kitchen, and on the side we've got, I don't know, I just got here as well. So we're gonna explore together. Ooh! And I mean, if you woke up looking like this, honey, you'd wanna buy two. Come on. So this is the main bedroom. Look at how pretty this is. I'm gonna show you the beautiful view, but before that, come this way. Look at this bathroom, Kane. Look at this bathroom. Automatic light when you walk in the beach. Excuse me? This is how the top 1% lives, y'all. Get a double basin for his and his. Guys, this is stunning. Bona bata ya ting. Here, this is where you come for the romantics. No muntu wako. Let me go show you that view. Do you like the view? You're my best view.
I like the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Yeah.
Come out and see the view. Maybe unlock. We'll get back to that. Let's go. Come on. We've got the family in the vlog. Come say hi to our little vlog. Love you, bye. Remember what Katy Perry said? Bon appetit, baby. So if you have phone. This is our lovely chilling space. But that's not all. That is not all, manyan. It's like a hobon. This side we've got another chilling space. Bedroom number 2, come with me. Child, this room is a mess. This room is like a brothel. I get a gas always saying, Kago, your room is a mess. Child, it's a normal standard bathroom. Room number 2, main bedroom. I'll probably be sleeping in here, because after all, I'm the main character. Welcome. Oh, this is pretty. If somebody was not sleeping here already, I definitely would have taken this. Let's go show you that view we spoke about. Guys, this is it. This is life. I mean, we could go down. You wanna go down and show them? I'm a bit scared though. So the kids are saying they wanna jump all the way from this cliff into the water. Go. And if you guys can see that sign says it's a 5-meter drop. Child, we don't even know how deep the water is. And I'm saying y'all can do that. I ain't gonna do that. I mean, a bitch can swim, but get up! Get up! Yes, Olodi. Hey, hey. Yeah. Bate kamo, utatena kamo, te kamo. Ay, yes. Semnandi. Ah, boyebo. Yo, we really stopped for ice cream. That's the gag for me. Yeah.
It's so good, bruh.
So take the mango. Take the mango.
Which one should I take?
Yo, we just came back from buying Italian gelato. No.
Oh, is it
Ice cream
gelato?
from Italy.
That's why it doesn't taste nice. I thought
Why?
it was ice cream.
What?
Is it the same thing?
So we just came back from buying gelato. Is it called Italian gelato. Is it called gelato?
You don't say Italian pasta.
True. Milk tart ngwanyana, milk tart. Imnati. You know that video? Imnandi. Imnandi. I don't know if we're going, child. The camera's battery's gonna die. We've been driving around like crazy.
Responses, nigga. Excuse me? Oh, I'm so sorry.
They want to respond to niggas on a vacay. Siphuma ngama window sisi. Siyabatshela ukuthi sihambe, let me move. You say I'm crazy. I'm not just crazy. You're such a liar. That drives me crazy. I might blow up again. I might blow up again. Y'all, we stopped at this cute little place.
No, you're actually glowing.
Ooh, I know this.
I don't know if it...
I know this. It's Big Ben.
Oh, Jehovah.
That's my baby girl. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
But let's go to that closing.
I thought it was an orange. Oh, look at the faces. Open your windows. The windows, what are they gonna help with?
Hi everybody, my name is Stella, and if you go up, there's a lot of waves. Just hold on and be safe. You must enjoy your cruise.
Thank you. Now I'm in fire. Soft life. Soft life. That's the soft life. Period. You know, it really is moments like this that make you appreciate life. Because, child, look at this. And then there's this. Always eating. Always eating.
But never getting fat.
Woo! Some of us can't relate. I eat, I
They ask you
gain.
how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Bonamate, who is scared?
Hey, girl.
What the kateka? How does it feel, ma'am? This is life, eh?
I can get used to it.
So can I. Am I glowing? Hi! Saliman! Bring back the land!
You need to leave.
All right, I'm sorry, I admit it, I'm sorry.
No, I am gonna leave.
Hey guys, what to do? Please like and subscribe.
Exactly. Rale bona go rale subscribe. Just subscribe. Just subscribe.
I'm recording.
Good morning. You know when you're on a holiday, people say you must wake up early, but we ain't do all of that shit, child. It's like 10:30. Do I look cute? Why do I look like that? You can't put black boys under blue lighting.
I'm a black girl. You can't put blue lights on black girls.
My god, my lips are dry. Hold on, wait. Hold on. Good morning, chicas. Do you guys like that name? I actually think it's such a cute name. People have been asking me, what does puchicas mean? Puchicas is a word I came up with, which is a mixture. It's a hybrid between putas and chiquitas, right? And so I'm always calling people my bad bitches. And I'm always saying to people, oh my god, you're the baddest girl in the world. You know what I'm saying? We've all heard that before. So I said, let's combine, let's make a hybrid. So now I'm gonna be like, hola puchicas. I think that is so fire. I didn't get to show you a lot of things yesterday because my camera died. But we had a braai. Some of the children did a night swim. My sister was pushed into the pool with her hoodies. Yo, guys, it was a maza. It was a big, big maza. And she was pushed in by a young baby. She was pushed in by like a 6-year-old. So it was it was a dramatic, okay? I need to film my thrift haul. So there's this room that the boys are sleeping in. So me being me, I woke them up because I cannot live here without a video besides the vlog, you know? Anyways, chill. Oh, that is so cute. The lighting here is so beautiful. Shut! Hey beautiful! A few weeks ago, we officially launched the website to my thrift store, thesanctuarythrift.com. Cha, go shop, go shop, go shop. And although we're still updating our catalogs, you can catch us at every single market on the first Saturday of every month in Pretoria. And you can catch us at picnic and thrift markets. And you can catch us at vintage markets, artisanal markets. Darling, follow the Instagram page so you never miss a market. Anyways, let's continue with the video.
But I'm of the influencers already. Most social media repost like the KVF.